I'm going to paraphrase the poems. I'm going to clear to you the line to line. It was roses, roses all the way, with myrtle mixed in my path like mad. The house roofs seemed to heave and sway, the church spires flamed, such flags they had a year ago on this very day. It was roses, and a year ago, just before 1 year, his path was decorated with flowers, with myrtle leaves, and people were waiting to see him at the house roofs. And the church spires flamed, such flags. That means they decorated the church spires with colorful flags so that it looked like that they were flaming. A year ago on this very day. The year broke into a mist with bells. The old walls rocked with the crowd and cries. People were shouting, people were cheering up to see the patriot. He was a national hero at that time. They're very glad to see him. So it seemed that the old walls were rocking by the sound of the people, by the crowd, by their cheering up. Had I said, good folk, mere noise you repents, but give me your son from yonder skies, they had answered, and afterward what else? By these lines, the patriot wanted to say that if at the time they were ready to do everything for him. He was so popular, he was so adorable to his countrymen, they were ready to doing something impossible. বলছে আকাশ থেকে যদি সূর্যটা আমি চাইতাম তারা হয়তো বলতো তারপরে আর কি চাও। এটা দ্বারা এটাই বোঝায় যে তারা তাকে এত ভালোবাসতো যে তার জন্য যে কোনো they are ready to do everything for him. And after that, Alec, it was I who leaped at the sun. Leaped, that means to jump. Alec, it was I who leaped at the sun to give it my loving friends to kill. Not one could do have I left undone. The patriot tried his best to make good for his country. He tried his best for the welfare of his country, but all his good works didn't see the success. So people misunderstood him. So they not man could do had I left undone. মানুষের পক্ষে যে কোনো মানুষ করতে পারে এমন কিছু human being মানে মানুষের পক্ষে সম্ভব এমন কিছু করা আমি বাদ রাখিনি. That means he tried his best. But you see my harvest, what I reap this very day, now a year is run. But what he got as his reward after a year. That is, he was taken to the scaffolds, his forehead was bleeding, and etc. etc. There is nobody on the housetops now, just a passive few at the windowsill. For the best of the sight is all allowed at the shameless gate, better yet by the very scaffold's foot I took. Now, people were not waiting in the street or in the housetops to see him. They all were gathered at the shameless gate to see the best scenes, that is his execution. True means belief. The patriot believed that everyone was waiting in the scaffold's foot. I go in the rain, and more than needs, a rope cars both my wrists behind. He was taken very inhuman manner. You see, I go in the rain, he was taken in the rain, and his hands were tied behind his back, and people were throwing stones at him, and his forehead was bleeding. For my years misdeeds. Students, misdeeds. What is misdeeds? Bad works, evil works, apokarma. But the question is there really any misdeeds done by the patriot? The answer is no. He didn't do anything wrong, but people misunderstood him. The human mind is very fickle-minded. Browning wanted to say that the human mind is very fickle-minded. It can change anytime. So that his good works were taken as misdeeds. And he ironically said his good works as misdeeds. There is no misdeeds done by the patriot. So, and stones at me for my years misdeeds. Thus I entered, and thus I go. Students, underline this line for explanation. Thus I entered, and thus I go. It is a very famous line. এভাবে আমি শহরে ঢুকেছিলাম আর এভাবে বের হয়ে যাচ্ছি. So In triumphs, people have dropped down dead. Paid by the world, what dost thou we me? God might question, now still, 'tis God shall repay, I am safer so. When people own any battle or own any work, they got reward. But as the patriot didn't get his reward in this world, so he will get this reward from God in heaven. So now he is safer so. Here the word comes optimistic. Optimistic, that means ashabadi. The person who believes in God and who believes that there is hope in everywhere, সব জায়গায় আশা আছে, যিনি কখনো হতাশ হন না, তাদেরকে আমরা optimistic বা আশাবাদী কবি বলি English literature. Browning was an optimistic poet. He feels that he is safer because God will reward him. There is nothing to worry about. People misunderstood him, so but it doesn't matter. And he will be rewarded by God in heaven. That is the poem. And it's a very short poem and very easy poem. I think you have to read the poem 2 or 3 times. Then you will, line to line, you will understand the poem, and then you will memorize. You will find out the question answer. I have prepared some questions for you. I prepared some question for you. You will find out the answers. You will prepare the answers, and in our next class we will discuss on this. And here it is. So students, please remember that we can remain idle like this. We have to read. Our exam, when this crisis will over, we will appear in the exam. So we must take preparations. Stay home and have in happy mood. See you next time. Thank you to all of you.